Greatness is never an accident. It is built brick by brick, heartbreak by heartbreak. This is the story of a boy from Delhi who turned every wound into strength. This is Virat Kohli. Welcome back everyone. Born on 5th November 1988, Virat was different from the very beginning. At age 3, he picked up a bat and the bat listened to him. His father, Prem Kohli, saw the fire, the restless hunger. He took little Virat to the West Delhi Cricket Academy at just 9 years old. While others played to pass time, Virat played to conquer it. Emotional, fierce, hot-blooded, competitive. He hated losing more than he loved winning. He loved cricket, fitness, challenges and pressure. Even as a boy, pressure didn't break him. It prepared him. But life tests the one it wants to make extraordinary. In 2006, tragedy struck. Virat's father passed away. The ground beneath him shattered. Yet, the very next morning, Virat walked onto the field to play a Ranji match, carrying grief in his heart and responsibility on his shoulders. He scored 90 runs. Every stroke was a tear. He refused to cry in public. That morning, the boy died and the man was born. Let's look at some of his achievements. 2008, he captains India to the Under-19 World Cup victory. 2008 IPL, a raw, aggressive kid steps into RCB. 2011, youngest in the squad to win the World Cup, scores a century on World Cup debut. Then came his era. 2012, Hobart. He smashed 133 of 86 balls in a do-or-die chase. 2013 versus West Indies, fastest ODI century by an Indian. 2016, a magical year, T20 World Cup knocks. The 82 versus Australia, the IPL season with 973 runs, a record untouched till today. He didn't just transform his game, he transformed his body, his discipline and the mindset of Indian cricket. Today, Virat Kohli holds records that most players only dream of. Over 26,000 international runs, 80 plus international centuries, most centuries in ODI run chases, most 150 plus scores as a captain, highest test rating by an Indian batsman, ICC Cricketer of the Decade, first player to average 50 plus in tests, ODI and T20 simultaneously, most player of the match awards for India after Sachin, most successful test captain for India overseas. He didn't just break records, he replaced the phrase under pressure with King Kohli. What does Virat teach us? That no matter how painful the past, your tomorrow is yours to build. That discipline can change destiny. That consistency is the real talent. That hunger, the burning desire to get better is everything. He teaches us that the world will test you, but your response will define you. Virat Kohli wasn't born a legend. He became one with sweat, sacrifice, heartbreak, and unstoppable belief. If he can rise through pain, you can rise through anything. Thanks a lot for watching.